Snow baby! Sorry, it's my cat. Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and today I'm super excited because we got the new Snackcrate box and I'm super excited because this always just lights up my month for me. I just love tasting snacks from all over the world. And I think I know the country that this is. So let's go ahead and open it up and see if I was right. Okay, ready? Yeah, I was right, yeah. It's because I saw this on Instagram and I was just like, yay, I'm so excited because I've never really had like Israeli food before. Actually, no. I have had it before, but not the snacks. And all I can say is that, again, the branding is just so impressive. I love it. And just the pictures and... But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into Israeli snacks. All right. I love it because like it pops up and has different facts of Israel. I don't know. Every single box is so different. That's why it's like a surprise for me. And this is how you say welcome, apparently. And it has some fun facts about Israel, which I'll go ahead and read later on because it's just super interesting. But yeah, this is just amazing because there's so much history in Israel, and hopefully someday I can go ahead and visit, but we'll see. And then of course it just has the little information about each snack. All right, so let's go ahead. I've been told that I always say, let's go ahead and get started. That's like my phrase. But anyway, this is the first one that I see, and this says Bizali falafel, flavored wheat snacks. I do love a falafel, so let's see how this tastes. And let's see, it says, get the taste of Israel's favorite dish in crispy noodle form. I love noodles. Wow, that's a smell right there. It's a very strong smell, a lot of spices. A lot thinner than I thought. Wow. My husband will love this. It is more obviously savory, salty. It has like a Middle Eastern flavor. I don't know how to describe it, but it tastes like a lot of like the Indian spices that I'm familiar with. And it's delicious. I love it. It's called the Bizali. And it smells good. This is addicting. All right. I think this is the brand because it's another Bizali's chips. And this says smoky. So maybe it's like a barbecue flavor. Let me see what it says here. Oh yeah. Weedy snacks with a flavor louder than their crunch, with flavors such as BBQ or smoky. Okay. I do love a barbecue flavor though. It kind of has the texture of chicharron because it's like a little bit harder and crunchier. But I really do enjoy this flavor. 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna go on to the sweets, and this is Bomba peanut butter puffs. And you know me, I love a good puff. Like a puff Cheeto. And I also love peanut butter too, so let's see what it tastes like. That's delicious. Wow. Oh my gosh. This tastes really good. Yeah, a lot of flavor, very light, and it tastes like actual pretty good quality pizza. No, not pizza. This tastes like good quality peanut butter and very delicious. This is what it looks like. Just little puffs in there. Now we go on to the sweets. My favorite portion, to be honest with you. So let's try this Click Snowflakes, and this is just milk chocolate coated cornflakes. And oh my gosh, guys, I've eaten so much chocolate and so much candy this week. It's not good, honestly. I feel like so much heavier, but more candy, so. Ooh, this is cute. It looks like cereal. See? Like cereal flakes. Okay. Yeah. It's delicious. It just reminds me of like a Kit Kat flavor, you know? It's really good though, I like it a lot. And I think the packaging is very, very cute. It's very interesting because like whatever country I have, it's like we all have the same flavor. We want the sweet, we want the savory, we love chocolate, candies, and no matter where you're from, it's always, food is amazing. And snacks always tend to be very similar. All right, so I have a whole bunch of these like little, it looks like nerds. They're tiny, fruity chew. Tiny, tangy, fruity chews in different flavors. Very cute. Thumbnail. No, I'm kidding. But let's go ahead and try it out. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Let's see if I can show you, but it's a little bit bigger than Nerds. It's automatically chewy in your mouth like a Starburst, but it's delicious. Let's try these two chocolate bars. Okay, this one's called Pazek Zaman wafer rolls. I'm not really too into wafers. I don't know why. Like, I've never liked Kit Kat that much. I like more like caramel flavors when it comes to chocolate bars, but that's just my preference. Let's see what this tastes like. That's cute. It has a little basketball. That is some good quality chocolate, I will say, like way better than American chocolate. But the reason why I actually like this is because it has hazelnut cream. That is probably my favorite flavor. Hazelnut. Hazelnut spread, hazelnut chocolate, hazelnut ice cream, hazelnut coffee. Everything hazelnut I love. So I actually do really enjoy this even though it's a wafer. Okay, this one is called the Clicks, which is the same brand as this one. And this is the milk truffle. It looks like it's a little hollow. It's hollow and then it has some cream inside. So let's go ahead and try. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it has little spots on it. This is delicious. I don't know what's inside it. Oh, here we go. Crispy bar filled with nougat coated with white and milk chocolate. All my favorite. I love the sweetest chocolate form, which is white and milk chocolate. So, this is delicious. My favorite so far in the box, not gonna lie. We have 4 more candies left. This one is another chocolate bar called Chocolate Log. Okay, kind of looks like wood. Let's see what the texture looks like. Interesting. Doesn't it look like bark to you or something? Okay. Has like a chalky flavor to it. Kind of reminds me of like this chocolate that I eat in the Philippines. What is it called? Choconut? I think it's called choconut, but yeah, it like crumbles and it's chalky, but it's good. And yeah, this is good. It's just a normal milk chocolate bar, but it has that consistency. But it's super cute. It's the mini version. Yummy. This one is with the brand Click as well. It looks like it's just a milk chocolate bar with some cream inside, so that sounds delicious. I swear, after this month, no more candy for me, seriously. It looks like little bubbles. I am loving their quality of chocolate. It reminds me of chocolate from Europe. It's really good. It's like very like rich, and yeah, it just has a very rich flavor, even though it's just ordinary chocolate bars. That was really good. I love the cream inside of that one. Yeah, so 10 out of 10. All right, so we have 2 more. We have these little candies. This is called Fluffy Tuffy. And let's see, this is chewy taffies that come in several different tangy, fruity flavors. Okay. This one is strawberry. Now I don't want to eat too much because I actually am eating dinner soon after this. Ooh. It seems hard. It's just... Seriously, where is it, guys? All right, well, not eating this one. See? I can bite into it. The thing with chewies, like, I know it's bad for my teeth, but I just love candy. I love artificial flavors. And especially toffee. I can like buy a whole bag of toffee and just eat it. Horrible for me, but I love this more than chocolate. This is really good. I mean, it just tastes like a normal taffy, but it's not artificially colored. It's just a white color. It tastes like strawberries. Very delicious. Whenever I think of like these wrappers, I always think of that one scene in The Parent Trap where she's talking to her sister on the phone and she's like, I can't hear you. Anyway, I love that scene. Also, cute movie. And last but not least, we have these milk chocolate coins. Now, I'm not gonna eat this just because I know what milk chocolate tastes like, but this is cute. I've definitely had these before. It has like, it just looks like money from Israel, which is really awesome. I love money from different countries. Like some are just more colorful and it just looks awesome. So this one has some lettering from Israel. I can see like the Hanukkah candles as well. It's pretty interesting. And yeah, that's it. I was gonna actually say that this also has a recipe on how to make hummus. So I would love to make hummus someday because I like that. It's very healthy for you. All right, everyone, so that was the video for today. Trying my Israeli snacks, and I actually liked it a lot. Just very sweet. I mean, nothing like super out of the ordinary, except for these ones, the falafel chips. But everything else was really good. I enjoyed it. I more so like the aspect of the packaging because you can learn so much about a country from this box as well, and it just makes you appreciate different cultures, and I really do want to go here someday. And yeah, let me know if you like these videos. For me, I truly enjoy them, and I honestly cannot believe it is already almost January in like 2 days. Can you guys believe it? I felt like this year just flew by. I really hope that next year is going to be better. And I just want to continue spreading love. And also, let me know what kind of content you'd like to see for 2021. I want to make better content and more interesting content. More music as well. And again, if you like these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. And I will see you probably next year, everyone. Bye! Why can't I do that? I hate it, ew. Also, these are my earrings that I made. DM me if you are interested in these as well, because I just love making these earrings. Bye, everyone.